Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn give and take together, step by step. Every day we give and take, sharing, paying, getting change. We'll practice addition and subtraction with money. When we receive or combine, we add. When we spend or give away, we subtract. Always line up by place value first. When you buy something, the change is the money you paid minus the cost. Always count your change to be sure. If you have 75 rupees and get 50 more, that's 125. After spending 40, 85 remain. To recap, add to combine, subtract to take away, change is paid minus cost, and always check by counting. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.